Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Tommy and I'm a portrait photographer from Melbourne. And in today's video, I want to take you behind the scenes and show you how I communicate with models so you can work better with your models in the future. There's a lot of value in this video, so let's get it started. And I think for the mood of the photo, maybe like less of a smile, so more of just like a wonder, like maybe like a very curious look.
Happening?
Yeah, what's happening? Well, I think you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Cool, we'll try that again. I think it's really important that we tell the models what kind of mood we are trying to go for, even if we've already sent a mood board previously. It's important that we communicate the nuances and the small little things we want changed in the photo shoot. Otherwise, the model might not know what we are talking about and they're going to make an assumption for what we want. This is why it's really important to work with the model on the photo shoot. So eyes towards me, and then both hands out. Yeah, good, perfect. Hold that, 3, 2, 1. Great, so that's that.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, sweet. We'll do a few more of those. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Great, I like the head tilt. One more time, 3, 2, 1. Another really simple thing that helps me and the model on the photo shoot is just counting down before I hit the shutter. Something as easy as 3, 2, 1. And this helps the model prepare for the photo, and also we eliminate any unnecessary blinking or any unnecessary shots. Sweet, that's awesome. 3 more, that's good. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, cool. Maybe just lean forward a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Perfect. Great, one more time. Same thing, that was good. Cool. 3, 2. 3, 2. Do you reckon we can get the hair on the right side just over your shoulder? Yeah. Yeah. Cool, looking out. Same thing. Great. 3, 2. Cool. And once more, that's good. So looking out that way.
Ooh, I like that.
I might try, if we can, not sure where to position your other hand. Alright, so here's a big one. I know as photographers, we feel a lot of pressure because we're seen as the person who knows exactly what they want in the photo shoot. But I want to tell you that that's not always the case and it's not always possible. It's okay for us to not exactly know all the time what we want in a shoot, and it's okay for us to ask the opinions of the people that we're working with what they think would look good.
I could do like a...
Yeah, cool, let's try that. So maybe we'll get it behind the shoulder, sorry.
Behind, sorry.
Yeah.
One pesky little bit that keeps going forwards.
All right, yeah. Yeah, cool. Great. 3, 2, 1. Maybe have your hand like more kind of like hugging yourself. Yeah, great. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Great. I think that brings out your figure a bit better.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
I see what you mean.
Cool. We'll try a few more of that. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Same thing. 3, 2, 1. Great. Cool. And then we'll do the same movement, same everything, and then more of a curious face expression.
Yeah.
So just like, I don't do it. We're just like not smiling as much. Yeah, like that. That's perfect. Talisha had already nailed the movement and pose of the photo, but I think the facial expression just required a little bit of a tweak. So I showed her what was good about the previous one, and then I just suggested that we change a little bit of the face, and this way we were able to achieve the mood of the photo. Sometimes I give models a lot of directions and it's hard to remember them all at once. And so building the photo step by step is going to make the photo easier and it's going to get there quicker. Okay, make sure I got my settings right. Good, 3, 2, 1. Good. Perfect. Oh, there's so much movement in this one. That's good.
Ah, I see what you mean. That's good.
Cool. Towards that window. Oh, it's like a very Romeo and Juliet, but reversed. And I think with positioning your body, maybe face your body more towards like that side, and then you're kind of looking upwards that way. Yep, cool. Sometimes if you feel like a particular pose is too complicated, you might be better off to just do the pose yourself. So actually perform the pose and demonstrate it in front of them so they know exactly what you're talking about. All right, sweet. Hold that. 3, 2, 1. Great. One more time. We're getting there. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Right, you were very surprised there. See, I think that's the moment we want to catch in between.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Yes.
That was good. We'll try that one more time. I think I need to come a little bit closer. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Cool. And then like lean back a little bit as well. Yeah. Good. 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 3, 2, 1. Cool. One more time. I think my angle was a bit wrong. Maybe have it sort of like not so high. Just have it like slightly outwards. Yep. Cool. Okay. Good. 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 Let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cool. I think one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many one more time? That's okay.
3, 2, 1. Cool. This one's good. I like this one.
Yeah.
Cool. Very natural. I might try from here because I do like the colors.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh wow. How do you do this? You're amazing.
I don't know, you did this. We'll try that one more time.
Yeah.
But I want you to swing all the way back in as well.
Okay, yeah.
So you'll come out and then back in.
Yeah.
And then I think just keeping your eye contact to the camera.
Yep.
Yep.
Alright, so I want to repeat what I said before about instructions. Sometimes it's easier to deliver the instructions for the poses step by step and photo by photo, so it's easier for them to understand and we can build up to the photo that we want.
Okay. Give me a second, I need to get the focus. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Back in. Okay. That's cool. Even this one looks really good.
Oh wow.
I think
How
when
do
you...
you? I don't understand.
Cool. Okay, one more time. This time we have the hands in front. Yeah, cool. Eyes towards me. Maybe have them in like more of a triangle. Maybe swap it around. Yeah, like that. Eyes towards me. Maybe tilt your head the other way. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, and my final tip for this video, if you're still unsure about how to direct models or what poses to go with, have a bunch of photos saved in your camera roll as references for different poses. So while you're on location and you're unsure about what poses to go with, you can reference the photos in your camera roll and say, hey, let's try this one, let's try that one, and then that will give you the momentum to continue your photo shoot. Hopefully you found the tips in this video helpful. If you guys did and enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and maybe comment down below what you learned from this video. I'd love to hear back. I'm putting out new videos on portrait photography every week, so if you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Thank you guys all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and take care. Peace.